Hi there everyone, welcome to another Minecraft tutorial video here on the channel, and the whole point of this video is going to be talking about custom spawn eggs in Minecraft. So this is something you can do in Minecraft Java Edition. Unfortunately, I don't think you can do this for Bedrock, I don't think, but you can definitely do this for Java Edition. I'm in Minecraft 1.20.4 at the moment, and basically, we're going to be learning how to do custom data spawn eggs in Minecraft. And what I mean by this is that if we have a look at the spawn eggs right here, these spawn eggs in creative mode, they are special items that allow you to spawn pretty much any entity into the game. However, these spawn eggs, or the standard spawn eggs, only spawn the base entity, I like to call it. So the simplest form of the entity. So if I use this creeper spawn egg, it will only spawn a normal creeper that you would see in the world. However, using commands and command blocks in this video, I'm hoping to teach you how to inject custom data into a spawn egg to make it spawn a particular type of entity or a specific entity with various attributes and so on. Now, with what I'm showing you in this video, this is by no means the limit of what you can do. I basically have 3 easy examples or 3 simple examples and 2 examples that are fairly complex. So hopefully this will help you out. We will go through the commands in a text editor to look at them in more detail, but without further ado, I'm going to give myself the spawn eggs. So as you can see, I've ran those commands and it's given me 5 spawn eggs to my inventory right here. And basically the first 3 examples that are very simple, you'll see that I have an axolotl spawn egg right here, but this one only spawns blue axolotl, as you can see. So this one is locked to the blue variant of axolotl, as you can see right there. This one is locked to only charged creepers, as you can see. So this is a charged creeper spawn egg. This spawn egg is actually a baby piglin spawn egg. So every piglin you spawn, you can see that it is actually a piglin spawn egg, but it only spawns baby versions of the piglin. So those are the 3 simple examples I have right here. And I've got 2 more complex zombie related ones. So this one, as you can see, is a zombie with diamond swords, 2 diamond swords, as you can see. And this one can have babies spawn, as you can see, but it spawns any type of zombie with diamond swords in both hands, which is pretty cool. Now, I'm just going to kill the zombie so it doesn't kill the villagers right here. But this next one is the most complex one, I suppose. This one is like an uber netherite zombie, where we've got a zombie in full netherite armor with a trident and a netherite axe, as you can see. So this one also only spawns this mob, as you can see right there. So it can be pretty powerful. The only limitation, I guess, you have with this is that you can't really put in a name on the spawn egg without giving more data to the spawn egg. And what I mean by this is that if you name a spawn egg with an anvil, any entity that gets spawned by that spawn egg actually has that custom name put onto it. So you do have some extra work to actually force that name to be empty, and it just gets very messy. So that is why I'm using these spawn eggs without any custom names via an anvil and so on. But if you want to do that, but by all means do, just be aware that you will need to hide the name by giving the entities that the actual egg spawns a empty custom name. So we're now going to look at the commands right here, and I'm going to show you this in more detail. Alright everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and these are the 5 commands that are going to be in the description of the video. So these are the 5 commands I used in the Minecraft world we were in to do those 5 particular mobs we saw. And in some cases they should just be, the commands themselves should be in one great big long string. But I've just laid it out like this so it's easier to show you in more detail what the command actually is. So it's pretty straightforward. We're just using a /give command with our username, and we are specifying the type of spawn egg we want to actually give to the player. But this is where the magic happens. You can actually specify what's called an entity tag. So what that essentially means is that we are giving data tags to that spawn egg to actually use as a template when it's actually spawning the mob or the entity. So in this case, I am forcing variant 4 as an entity tag, and within an axolotl spawn egg, that will force it to use a blue variant all the time. So the same thing with the creeper and the piglin spawn egg. So in this case, I am specifying powered as 1B. So that means that it's going to be charged no matter what. And the same thing with IsBaby 1B. That just means that the piglin spawn egg is always going to be a baby version when spawning. Now, the next 2 are the more interesting ones. So again, we're still using an entity tag, but in order to force 2 diamond swords onto a zombie with the first zombie spawn egg we saw, you have to use an HandItems collection data tag. So this contains a list, but it's a very small list. This list has 2 elements inside of it. So this is the first element right here, and this is the second. The first element is the main hand of the zombie, and the second one is the offhand of the zombie. So the main item will be in the right hand, and the offhand item will be on the left hand. So as you can see here, I've specified the hand items for this zombie, and that's why they are dual wielding 2 diamond swords. Now, the next one takes it even further. It's still using the HandItems collection, as you can see here. And I am specifying a trident and a netherite axe. But it also has an additional data collection alongside the HandItems called armor items, and this has a list of 4 elements in total. So this one here, as you can see, it lists the armor in like a backwards order. So the first element is there any boots on? And then it's leggings, chest plate, and helmet. So you can see the first one I've specified is netherite boots, and then we've got the netherite leggings, the netherite chest plate, and the netherite helmet. So bear that in mind. So you can specify specific pieces of armor for the zombie to wear. So it's also important to note that some of these entity tags I'm discussing for each of these mobs is only available for that mob. So for example, the powered tag for a creeper is only exclusive to a creeper. A creeper is the only one that can use the powered state as a charged state, I suppose. So also bear that in mind. Alright everyone, that's about it for this Minecraft tutorial right here. Hopefully you found this useful and you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, then a like, subscribe on the video would be very much appreciated, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so you're notified of any future videos here on the channel. And if you want to see more videos and follow me on my socials, they're going to be on screen and in the description. And by all means, if you want to see more tutorials, then let me know of any tutorials you want to see in the comment section down below. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a nice day. I hope to do some more videos soon when I can. Stay happy and healthy as always, and bye bye.